Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set dynamic wallpaper in your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, if you're wondering what is dynamic wallpaper, then let me show you. The current wallpaper I'm using on my desktop is in light mode. So as soon as I turn on dark mode, you can see how the wallpaper changes. Now this is the same wallpaper, but this is in dark mode. If I go back to light mode, you can see how the wallpaper changes. So this is dynamic wallpaper. A single wallpaper can be used in light mode as well as in dark mode. Now, if you want to set dynamic wallpaper, you just have to go to system settings like this, and you can select wallpaper option over here, and it will take you to wallpaper page like this. If you want to go to that page directly, then you can right click on the trackpad when you are on desktop and select change wallpaper option, and it will take you directly to wallpaper page. Now currently you can see I am using Tau wallpaper, and it is set to automatic, which means currently it is daytime, so which is why the wallpaper is in light mode. But as soon as it is evening or night, this same wallpaper will go in dark mode automatically. But if you want to choose a specific mode, you can either select light or dark depending on your requirement. Now there is a category of dynamic wallpapers over here. You can see now if a wallpaper is a dynamic wallpaper, then you will be able to see this dark mode icon over here on those wallpaper. Now if I go down, you can see these are the live wallpapers, so you won't find the light or dark mode icon over here, but these are the dynamic wallpapers. So if I tap on show all option, you get multiple options over here. So these are the default wallpapers you can get in your Mac. So if I select wallpaper of Sequoia for now, this is how it will look like in light mode. And if I turn on the dark mode, you can see how the wallpaper changed. Now as I said, these are the default wallpaper which you can get in Mac. If you have downloaded a dynamic wallpaper from internet, then in that case, all you have to do is just simply go to your photos option, select add photo over here, and you can select choose file or choose a particular folder if you have made a dynamic wallpaper folder. For now, I'm just going to select a particular file. Just go to that particular folder and search for that wallpaper. Now I'm going to select this particular wallpaper which is dynamic, and if I tap on open, you can see this is the wallpaper and this is the light mode. If I select dark, this is how it will look like. So you can change a dynamic wallpaper. You can select any particular wallpaper which you want, and make sure to see this particular icon, because then only you will be able to know that that particular wallpaper is dynamic. So yes, this is how simple it is to set dynamic wallpaper in Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.